Hi guys, magtanim ng hobby ko ngayon ng kamatis, jalapeno at saka bell pepper guys. Hindi ako makapagtanim kasi namamagayon pa ako guys. Huwag niyong sabihin, okay? Yan na ang hobby ko, magtatanim lang. Ganda ng hair, like it! Yan na guys, sundan na natin ang hobby ko. Magtanim ng red and green paper dito sa loob. Dito ako magbibigyo sa loob, guys. Sa labas.
It's too old already.
Oh, that's why I didn't get it.
Before
Bin-i.
Bing-e.
Okay, guys. Ang dami mga pichay, guys. Oh, tumubo.
Okay. So we gotta put one here,
Mhm.
one here.
Medyo ninalayo namin, guys, kasi yung mga alaga namin aso, umiihi sila. Para hindi nila ma-reach. Mhm.
And then one here.
Okay.
And one right here. Alright, let's go.
Taga-video ako guys kasi hindi ako makayuko dahil sa paa ko. Hey, Felix, get out there. Now.
Yung ano, this is a green
Paper.
bell
Paper.
pepper.
Okay.
Green bell pepper.
Ang gwapong hobby ko.
Alright, I'll put it right here.
Finally, nag-ponytail.
Alright, here we go.
There you go, guys.
And
Yan.
loosen up the roots a little bit. Loosen it up. Okay, that's one.
That's one.
We're gonna put it here because the pet chai, maybe another 2 weeks, I think it's gonna be ready anyway. So
Get out. Okay.
okay, put this one here.
Up. Felix, go there. Stop. Hindi ko nayaan yung mga alaga namin na papasok dito guys kasi iihi sila. Another bell pepper. This is the red one guys. Yan. Yan guys.
May bunga na oh.
May bunga na. Hindi pa na itatanim. Imagine that. Ang laki naman na yan, Sparrow. Naibon. Oh, di ba? Yung ibon doon ang laki.
Okay. Red.
Yan, guys. Naitanim na yung dalawa. Another one, yung jalapeno, guys.
This is two.
Dalawa.
In one pot. So i-separate namin now. We're gonna separate these two.
Para may dalawa.
Make it two.
So, ang daming mga kon dito, oh. vegetables, guys. Pag magsinigang ka, tinola o ano, yung beef soup, ito talaga ang perfect. Yan, guys. O, diba? Hindi mo na kailangan pumunta sa store. Nandito na lahat.
Same thing, loosen it up, drop it. And
Yan, dalawa, guys.
what you call this?
O, yung kambal, nagseparable. Yan. Yung mga short clip, guys, mostly nasa Facebook ko, guys, kung gusto yung panoorin. Diyosa ng Yaman, Daisy Yapit Padua o Daisy Imelda Yapit Padua.
I think this is a good spot. I got an okra growing.
Yung YouTube channel ko, guys, papalitan ko ng Frank and Daisy Pamdel Vlog. Yan.
Let's get rid of this guy. Stay there.
Nandito yung mga, tingnan yung pa ako, guys, oh. Namamaga. Yan, may halipin nyo na kami, guys. Yung kamatis, saan natin ilalagay yung kamatis? Dongo.
Muna. Yeah, bakit?
Wag muna.
No, you gotta plant it.
Where?
I don't know yet. Maybe I put it in here, inside, next to the other.
Okay, tapos na dito, guys. Yung kamatis naman. Yung kamatis naman, guys, ang itatanim namin. Alisin na ito mga lumang pichay, guys, kasi hindi naman kailangan. Marami kaming pichay sa kabila.
I think nagbubuo.
Yan.
Hindi mo kang pagka.
Hindi namin kailangan. Marami kaming tanim na ganyan. Nagmula lang sa seeds. Guys. Wala pa yung pechay dyan. Oh. Mayroon pa dito. May maraming mga sili, guys. Diyan namin ilalagay yung kamatis, guys. Kasi mayroon ng isa dyan. Oh. Ako yung chair ko. Very light lang siya, guys. Kasi hindi ako makayuko talaga. Masakit ang paa ko. Kaya ang hobby ko mostly ang nagtatanim. Yan na, guys. Yung kamatis.
Boy, this thing is in bad shape.
This is in bad shape.
It hasn't been watered for months.
Pangbabuenas yun, guys. Pangpabuenas.
Alright.
Pangpabuenas.